Maayong adlaw mga higala. Good day, friends. This is your Maestra, Judy. Welcome to Cebuano 101, where I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano. Today, I'm going to teach you how to say how much is the fare in Bisaya Cebuano. How much is the fare? Tagpila ang plite. Tagpila ang plite. How much is tagpila? The here is ang. It's the subject marker, ang. And then fare is plite. Plite. Magpractice ta. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Tagpila ang plite. Tagpila ang plite. The regular pace is tagpila ang plite. Manoy, tagpila ang plite. Kuya, tagpila ang plite. Tagpila ang plite. Now you know how to say how much is the fare in Bisaya. Keep practicing.
Before we go, mga higala, I would like to thank all my patrons of Cebuano101.com website. Daghang salamat for supporting me.
And thank you to my YouTube family. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you again next time. Daghang salamat ug amping kanunay. Bye!